That is totally for Miss Kim, guys. Alright, what else? She really does like the cars and stuff. And she also likes SpongeBob and Thomas the Train. Oh guys, we need to make little party bags for our guests. Oh my gosh, Miss Kim's gonna, I just can't wait for this party. It's gonna be fabulous. Oh my gosh, she will love this. Miss Kim will love this, guys. Okay. I think I planned her party. Get away from me, cameras. Oh my gosh.
Now over to Georgia.
Oh my gosh, this is a really good one for Kimberly. Good one. So good time. Oh, it's like I can so see it on her present. I'm so excited. This definitely. Oh my. She's gonna flip. She's gonna flip. She is going to flip. That is what I'm looking for.